How to log out of Fiverr. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you log out of your Fiverr account on your device. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your Fiverr app with your logged in account. So simply you have to open it, and now from here you'll have to tap on more icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply you have to go that three dots, and now from here tap on settings. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the option general, so it will appear at the last, and now from here choose the options like exit, so it will always appear at the last. Okay. Okay, so by doing this, your profile will be set as offline on Fiverr and you won't receive any messages from the Fiverr. And all the way after you open the Fiverr, you will automatically log in with your account on Fiverr. So to log out of your Fiverr account, you'll have to do extra effort from here. So from there, you'll have to open your settings on your device. So simply tap on settings. And now from here you'll have to open the app sections, so simply after scrolling down you'll have to find the apps and tap on the apps. Okay, so from here in the app section you'll have to scroll down and find the Viber app. All right, so after you find the Viber app you'll have to just tap on it, and now from here you'll have to tap on first stop just at the bottom right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it and tap on OK. Okay, so from here on the another step you'll have to scroll down and go the option storage, so simply tap on it, and as usual from here you'll have to clear the data of Fiverr app, so simply tap on clear data, and as usual click on OK. So from there your Fiverr account will be automatically log out, like your Fiverr app will be reset to its default version. So this is the method to log out of your Fiverr account on your device. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.